Hi, friends. It's a wonderful day in November, and it's a wonderful time for, yes, math carpet time! Yay! All right, so let's figure out what comes after the 23 right here. Yeah, okay, so it's 24. You got me there. But, okay, so Smarties, what's the picture? Ah, we have to read the pattern. Alrighty then, let's read the pattern then, shall we? Rectangle, triangle, square. 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 This is kind of fun, isn't it? Rectangle, triangle, square. Rectangle, triangle. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm thinking of square too. But what color is it? How'd you figure that out so fast? Oh, because there's an A, B, B pattern going, right? Okay, so red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, orange, red, red. Okay, so we're going to have a red square. All right, well, do you happen to know what the other shape will be? Okay, let's read the pattern and find out. Nothing, circle, nothing, green oval, nothing, little circle, nothing, green oval, nothing, yellow 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 circle, nothing, green oval. Okay, so we should have a red square with a green oval. Let's take a look. Well, look at that. You were right. And of course, by now, we know that that's a square. Even though it's tipped, yep, it's still a square. There it is, still a square. Because even though it's tipped, a square is a square is a square. No matter which way we turn it, it's still a square. 4 sides, 4 corners. All the sides are equal, and all the corners are square corners. Okay, let's put it in there. So today is Tuesday, the 24th of November, 2020. All right, now, I'd love to tell you that we're going to play our game with Rocco Raccoon, but I cannot. Because instead we have guest star, dun 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 dun, Jelly. Jelly, you picked out the cards today? I see. All right, well, Jelly has picked out some cards for us today. Here, Jelly. I think you fit right there. Yeah, there we go. All right, so Jelly's going to sit right up here. And let's see what Jelly picked out. Okay, so we have a 3 and an 8, so that would be 38. A 2 and an 8, that would be 28. A 4 and an 8. I'm starting to get a pattern here, Jelly. 4 and an 8 would be 48. A 1 and an 8, that would be, yes, because there's a 1, so it's a teens number, right? So it's 18. And then we have just plain 8. Jelly, what did you do? Just grab all the ones that had an 8 in them? I know how much you love 8s. Okay, so, well, we can figure out which one goes first, right? 8 goes first. But which one comes next? Okay, I see what you're thinking. So they all have an 8 in the last position, right? These are all 2-digit numbers. So then we can look at the first position and go, well, we have a 3, a 2, a 4, and a 1. Which one's the least? 1 is less than all the other ones, right? So 18 would come next. And then, 28. What would one come next? Yeah, 38, because it's a 3. And then 48. So look at that. We have a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. That is pretty cool how that works. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48. All right, let's go put them in the pocket chart and see if it works. All right, Jelly. You want to help us out here? Great. Okay, so we had 7 and then 8, 17 and then 18, 27 and 28, 37 and 38, 47 and 48. Oh, yeah, that was really exciting, wasn't it? Absolutely, that was really exciting. Yeah. And now you'd like us to count by tens. Oh, absolutely. We can count by tens. Oh, because you want to show us how good you are, because Clara Cow taught her how to count by tens. Well, absolutely. So we got to listen to Jelly too, okay? Because Jelly is going to count by tens with us. Okay, here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Oh, Rocco told you that we could count by tens. Oh, but start at 8. Yeah, we can do that. All right, we can do that. Okay. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. What would be next? 108. Absolutely. Oh boy. Now she wants us to count by 8s. You know what, Jelly? I think we'd better save that for another time, like when we learn how to multiply. Yeah, multiplication. That would be a good time for us to learn how to count by 8s. Yeah, come back like in a while. We'll learn how to count by 8s. You know, it's going to take us some time. Okay. Well, thank you. You don't think I should go visit Rocco? Why? You think he has apple pox. Apple pox? Apple pox. What's apple pox? He's covered with red spots. Doesn't look good. Is he sneezing or anything? No? Just really hungry. Oh, well, okay, that sounds like Rocco, doesn't it? Okay, well, I think we better go down there and find out what's going on. Okay. All right, well, thank you, Jelly. Yes, I know. Okay, we'll do we will do the straw first because I know Rocco would be very upset if we didn't. Okay. So first we'll add our straw. So we had 1 in there, and now we'll have 2. Absolutely. We'll take the 1 out. We'll put the 2 in, and now we have a 5 and a 2. That would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Very good. All right, well, let's go find out what's going on with that apple pox. Oh, my. Hi, Clara and Rocco. So what's going on down here? So Jelly told me that Rocco has apple pox. Clara says that's ridiculous. There's no such thing as apple pox. They're trying to count apples, and Rocco's helping. Really? This is helping? Really? Okay, so explain to me how this is helping. Okay, I see. Oh, I don't know if you can see this real well, but look at this. On Rocco's back, Claire's got this arranged. There's a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, now that's pretty cool. Let's investigate Rocco's head. Let's see. Rocco, can you turn so everybody can see your head? Rocco, I love it. Can you see the pattern on Rocco's head? So we've seen that pattern before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he has 10 apples on his head. He has 10 here and 10 here Oh, and then 1, 2 on his feet. Okay, and none over here. Okay. All right, so boy, Clara, you are pretty creative. This is pretty cool. All right, Rocco, you're very helpful. Absolutely. Okay, so I guess 2 groups of 5 over here. That makes 10 on this side. And 2 groups of 5 over here, that makes 10 on this side. So we could count 10, 20, right? Okay, so let's count how many groups of 10 we've got all together. So we have 1 on his head, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have 11 groups of 10. Oops, I knocked an apple off. Sorry about that. All right, so we have 11 groups of 10. I'll write that down. No, I'm not forgetting, Clara. I'm not forgetting. No, I see them. She doesn't want us to forget. He has 2 apples right here on his little raccoon toes. Okay, so he has 2 more that aren't in a group of 10. So we'll put that down. Well, I can tell you, Clara, you got a lot of apples. Well, I'm glad that Rocco's planning on helping you eat them, and he's not planning on wearing them forever. That's a good thing. All right, well, you like being up here? You can see them better? Okay, well, you want to help us count? Okay, so let's count by tens, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, then 110, 111, 112. So this is the number 112. You have 11 groups of 10 and 2 little ones on his feet. So you have 112 apples, Clara. I agree, that is a lot of apples. I mean, I suppose you do need a lot of apples for Thanksgiving. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Are you making apple pie? Oh, okay. You're making apple turkey. I don't know how that works, but it sounds delicious. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so they don't eat turkey. Turkeys are friends. They don't eat them. They eat apples instead, so they're having apple turkey. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Oh, and apple pie, right. And apple cake, and apple sauce, and apple potatoes. Wow. Okay. Wow, you're having a lot of apple stuff. Okay, wow. Well, I'm glad you have a lot of apples here to share with all your friends for Thanksgiving. That'll be great. Did you pick out a flash math for us? Oh, okay. All right. Well, we'll do that right now. Okay. Oh, wow. Clara certainly did pick out a flash math for us. Huh. Well, let's take a look. And we're thinking, is it more than 5? Is it fewer than 5? Is it more than 10? Is it fewer than 10? Okay. Are there any patterns to help our brains? Let's take a look. Well, I guess we can decide if it's more than 5 or fewer than 5. That's probably the easiest, right? Yeah, okay, so there's more than 5. Are there more than 10? I agree, we do need another look. Okay. Well, that's going to be a close one, isn't it? What makes this one so hard? Yeah, there really aren't any of those patterns like there usually are. This one's a toughie. All right, well, let's take a look. Well, I guess you could see it in a couple different ways, right? You might see a line of 4 right here, and 4 up here, and 2. Absolutely. Or maybe you saw a set of 3 here, and 1, and 4 and 2. Yeah. Is there any other ways to see this? Oh, yeah, there are. So there's 4 down here, and a line of 4 and 2 more. So there's a lot of ways to see this, but it isn't the usual pattern that just pops right out at us, is it? No. Well, so I guess we could look at this and say, well, there's 4 here and 4 here. Do you know what 4 plus 4 is? That's a double. 4 plus 4. That's 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if we count on, we get 9, 10, right? Not more than 10, not fewer than 10. It is 10. Wow, Clara, you really picked a toughie for us today. All right, so are you going to pick all these apples off Rocco? Oh, he's just going to shake them off. Oh, that should be interesting to watch, yeah. Okay, okay, well, you all will have a wonderful time doing that and have a great Thanksgiving with all of your apple-y foods. Absolutely. And Clara says to remind you that she and Rocco and Jelly, and Oliver and Timothy Tiger all wish you a happy counting day and a happy counting Thanksgiving.